selected to serve on the Court of Appeal. I've been teaching for probably over the last 30 years, and this is a new form of public service I'm viewing it as. So I'm very honored and privileged to have been selected for an appointment on the Court of Appeal.
Yeah, I've been a High Court judge in the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court for 16 years. This is a very good way to crown my experience as a judge in administration of justice in the region, and I'm very happy to be able to serve Barbados in particular in this capacity. Court of Appeal is for most litigants in the High Court. Really the final Court of Appeal, in the sense that yes, the Caribbean Court of Justice is the final court, but for most people, nothing goes past the Court of Appeal, and therefore it's a very important position to be in, to be kind of giving the judgment of that level for the citizens of this country. I'm aware, having read certain judgments from the Caribbean Court of Justice, and even before that, of delays in the system. Some of these things are habits that developed over time. Habits have to be changed, new ways of thinking in terms of how we deal with things, and institutions need to go through changes, so that I think the use of mediation, for example, is something that helps to cut back on the backlog. But in addition to that, the idea that every particular case has to have a long waiting time for a judgment to be written, this is something that needs to be addressed. Some judgments can be oral, and therefore as you sit, you think about how you're going to decide the case, and if you think that it can be done quickly and still properly, then an oral judgment sometimes is all that is required in some cases, and that certainly will help to speed things up. But I'm sure there are more issues, administrative, that have to be addressed as well, and I'm sure that His Lordship, the Chief Justice, is looking at some of these things as we go along.
Thank you very much.